This is the Desmond Show.
Desmond Show is so funny. Why you on this game? Wait. Yes. Oh, sorry. Sorry. How are you laughing so hard? We are watching the Desmond Show. No. Wait. We are supposed to be shooting. All this on you doing. You are watching the Desmond Show. Okay. Let's use this opportunity to wish our fans out there a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Okay, so let's sing this song. Are you ready? Someone should keep me in.
Do, re, mi,
Okay. I wanna wish you a Merry
Desmond, that is not what I want.
Papa Sam, the director. That's coming. And so he has come again. Okay, I'll
See, guys, you guys need to hasten up because I'm taking a lot of shots today, and I'm not joking.
You again? Cinematographer George Films. I beg you. So, okay, let's do it again. Let's take it again. Are you ready?
Okay.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Please tell your lovers out there something about Christmas.
Yeah. Okay, it's all about celebration, and we are celebrating you this Christmas. We wish you all our fans out there a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Oh my God, what can we do? We need to thank the lovers and the fans of TVC.
Yeah,
we wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Oh, it's been an amazing year.
But it's been an amazing year.
Okay.
Pick up.
And of course, it's been an amazing year.
very good.
Pick up. It's been an amazing year and expect so much more from us on the Desmond Show next year. Pick up from there. Action.
And of course, oh my God.
Pick up. Take it. Relax. Desmond, relax. Keep the spirit. No. Keep the spirit. Action.
And of course, it's been an amazing year. Expect more next year, 2016. We're coming with more glorious comedy skits. And of course, I'm a comedian for Federal Republic of Nigeria. So all we need to do is to make you happy, make you laugh. So we're going to do that song again. Yes or yes?
Yes.